Hi guys! Aniq here.
Oh here.
Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we're going to be unboxing a keyboard.
And this is the Logitech G613 gaming keyboard.
So this is a wireless gaming keyboard. It has Roamer G tactical switches and it's made by Logitech.
And it's a Lightspeed and there's 6 programmable Gs.
This keyboard also comes with the Roamer G tactile switches, which are, it says over here on the back, they're 25% faster.
As you can see the back.
So here, you guys can see. So the keyboard, it's a full-size keyboard. You can see here.
Yeah.
And
it comes with a wrist rest built in it.
Yes, and also it uses Logitech's Lightspeed technology, so you plug in the receiver into your PC or laptop.
And it's gonna be instant, not like there's any latency.
And there's also you can also pair it Bluetooth with a phone or maybe another laptop if you wanted to.
Yeah.
So here you guys can see the back, and here's the front.
So let's get unboxing. Whoa!
So you guys can see over here, when you open this box, the first thing you see is the keyboard. So you guys can see this is the keyboard. So let's take it out and see what else is inside the box.
So we have these papers, and this is the G613 something.
This is about how to pair it over here, and this is some important safety information.
So this, do you know what this is?
So this is a phone stand. So since you can connect it via Bluetooth to a device, you can just connect it to your phone, and then your phone just on this, and you just start typing on your phone.
Okay. And this is the charger.
It's not a charger. It's an
USB?
extender for the USB receiver. So if you can't reach it, or maybe you want it close to you.
But where is the USB receiver?
Let's see. Oh, it's in the board.
Oh.
So now let's go on to the keyboard. So I guess we should open it now, right?
Okay.
So this keyboard here, it's full size and it's fully mechanical.
Yeah.
And it has an 18 months battery life. But in order to achieve it, they have to take out all the RGB lighting and stuff. Here you guys can see the keyboard.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. It looks pretty cool too, right, Ali?
Yeah. So this wrist rest is actually pretty good.
So the wrist rest here, it's made out of plastic. This is also plastic here.
Yeah.
It sounds pretty good. You guys can hear?
It's kind of, for me, I think it's a little bit harder. Just a little, a teensy bit hard.
So let's go on to the back.
Because of the tactile.
So let's take this out and open this. So over here, it comes with 2 batteries, and it can last 18 months with these 2 AA batteries. So you don't have to worry about charging or anything.
And this is the USB receiver. It says G613.
So the USB receiver here, it says G613, so it's pretty easy to know that it's yours and don't get mixed up with something else.
Yeah. No, that's a nice stuff. And this rubber grip so it doesn't slip. And
yes.
What's this?
So it just has a design on the back, I guess.
So
let's put this back in here.
Yeah.
So with these.
Open. So once you put, this is actually.
So since we took out the paper, it's not blinking over here. I guess I can turn it on and off from here, maybe?
No, it's from here.
Oh, from here on the side.
It's from the side.
Okay, so here on the side, you guys can see. You can turn it off.
And there.
So we can take off the keys. You guys can see here. Here's the Roamer G switch.
Okay.
It doesn't look like Cherry MX switches or anything, so if you want to like switch it with an old keyboard that's Cherry MX, you can't really, So let's put this back on.
That's off. Okay, this is pretty good because there's buttons here for separate stereo.
Yes.
So that's a nice touch.
So that's a media keys here, I guess.
And here's a 6 programmable G keys. And there's a
So Ali, how do you like the keyboard?
It's pretty good.
So we're gonna use this for our gaming channel on our new PC we built. So this keyboard's pretty cool. So I like it. Only one thing is that I wish that it had like RGB and colors.
Yeah.
That would have made it so much cooler. But it's still pretty cool.
Yeah. No worries about charging. That's a nice thing. And this twist pad, if it was detachable, that would also be nice.
So I like this keyboard. Ali, do you like it?
Yes, I do.
So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
And remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.
Bye.